It won't be long now.
In a few months, we are going to have a thriving campus again.
Students will begin returning to campus on August 12th, and fall semester classes will start August 19th. The health and safety of the Coastal Carolina University community will be the top priority.
It has been in the forefront of everything that we have done and every decision that is made, and that will continue to remain. The process that we've taken in creating the standards allows us to remain flexible as we move forward.
Those standards, which form the framework for the coastal comeback, include things such as the wearing of masks in certain situations, practicing social distancing, health monitoring, sanitation, and testing.
It takes a well-thought-out plan, and that's exactly what we're producing.
Well over 100 individuals are serving on a total of 10 committees to develop the details of that plan. They'll consider every possibility.
We want to make sure that we leave no stone unturned and that we're considering absolutely every option available.
Holly Tankersley is chairing the Academics Reopening Committee.
All of those folks have come together to make sure that we're addressing every single area and issue within academics.
Faculty, staff, and students, the full range of stakeholders, make up the committees.
The wealth of expertise and knowledge, and more importantly, the care that people have for the institution is really palpable.
I'm just excited to have an opportunity to help in any way.
Clayton Head is one of the students helping to craft the Coastal Comeback Plan.
I just want to be a good representative of the other students that are on the campus.
The task ahead is being handled by a capable group.
I have a lot of confidence that they're going to come up with a plan that's going to help usher us through this whole comeback process.
The comeback will not happen all at once.
We are using a phased approach.
Advancing through those phases from 0 to 3 will require time and patience.
It's all about taking those important measures to make decisions in a timely manner where safety is really paramount.
Steps are being taken to ensure that the Coastal Comeback is successful.
I want this to be a phenomenal year, but one in which everybody stays healthy and safe.